G'day, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we're talking about the thermostat fitting kit that is available from Minisport. So why do we need a thermostat fitting kit when we can just loosen off the nuts, pull off the housing, replace the gasket, and save ourselves a bunch of money? Well, simply because if you're removing it, chances are it's probably been in there since day one, back in the late 50s or even early 60s. The nuts start to round, the threads start to pull out, they don't seal properly, then you just run into trouble. This is a really cheap and affordable kit in which is very easy to fit when you're removing the thermostat on an A-series engine, and is worthwhile replacing at least once in your lifetime of owning the vehicle to ensure that the studs are going to be binding properly and that thermostat housing is going to be sealing. Like I said, it does come with 3 studs, 3 nuts, and 3 washers, along with a new gasket. It is important to make sure that you use some gasket glue in there, like aviation sealant, when you're replacing these. As I said, it is a super easy thing to do, and they often snap or even strip inside the head, and then they become an absolute pain to be able to get out. If you have the cylinder head off, it is worthwhile upgrading and replacing these. If not, and you're just doing a cooling system flush and replacing a thermostat, it's advised to get yourself one of these. They're not overly expensive, and they definitely will save you bacon, and you can thank me for it on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.